Hi, we're Big Wise dietitians Andrea
and Carrie. Kick off the new year with easy, flavorful lunch-on-the-go recipes.
With these fresh combinations, you're sure to be the envy at lunchtime.
Thai Chicken Noodle Soup. In a glass jar, layer low-sodium chicken soup stock base, chili garlic sauce, and coconut milk. Add cooked shredded chicken, carrots, cabbage, and grated ginger. Top with cooked noodles, add cilantro, scallions, and lime wedge. When ready to eat, pour boiling water over mixture and cover. Let sit for 2 minutes, then stir and enjoy.
Crunchy layered salad with walnuts. In a glass jar, layer brown rice, chopped peppers, diced tomatoes, chopped walnuts, edamame, and dressing. Cover jar. Shake to combine and pour onto a plate to enjoy if desired.
For these recipes and more,
visit bigy.com.